Shout out to all of you guys. Okay, this song is for you, lalo na po sa mga matatagal ko nang kasama dito sa YT through the years. Para po sa inyong lahat and of course, para po sa inyo. Mga supportive friends natin dyan. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love, love, love. Okay, here we go. I can't remember when you were there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I'd stay right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted you, I listened to before. I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we care. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away, as long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years, when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what love's about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away, as long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Maraming salamat po. Love, love, love. And God bless us all. Thank you so much po.